Yes, today we are going to unbox these two latest arrivals from Mini GT. Welcome back to the channel. I love 164. So, this is the first one which was released. We have seen multiple versions of this particular Silvia, but this time we are seeing it in athlete. Let's open this. So here is your Silvia. Cool, isn't it? And here's your base. Very clean. Very awesome. And of course I'm going to put this on turntable. But before I put that, I just wanted to give you guys a closer look of this car. Isn't this cool? Let's have a close look. So here is your Silvia. I really like how all the decals on the side, the tone, the 23 number Liberty Walk logo on the side, on the front. We have the same liveries that we have on the sides, the same logos we have on the top of the car, on the front. And on the top you can see the Yokohama. On the back of the spoiler it says Liberty Walk. It looks really cool. And of course there are some aerodynamic details. The wheel looks cool on this version. It's a must-have car to have in your collection. If you are a Silvia fan or not, doesn't matter. It's a must-have car. And next is this another athlete Collet. So this is ER34. This is like the third version if we talk in normal, but there is fourth version also, which was the charity special. Of course we do not have that. It came on the foreign websites and went within seconds. Wow. Okay, so I don't know how to remove it. Yeah, it just came like this. This is like the third of mine, the third ER34, but trust me guys, this is the coolest and people do not know, because I haven't seen the hype of this car somehow, but this is the coolest car. And let's have a close look on this one as well. Let's put this on the turntable. So as I said, this is the coolest ER34 so far in my collection, and I stand on my statement. This is like so cool and wide, and the same decals, like all the same logos like the Silvia, and I'm just stoked by seeing this. There's no different except the wheels of the car. I mean, the car wheels are same, but it just the logo on one of the car is red and on one of the car is white. It says Advan. What a beautiful car to have. Don't forget to add these both, because there are more versions of this particular livery is coming in different cars. There is a R32 coming, there is a Ferrari coming in this. So just be ready and happy collecting. So these were your cars for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.